This video will show you how to use the if function to create logic formulas. Enter the data you want to evaluate. Type equals sign if, A1 equals to B1, enter yes after the comma, enter no, enclosed in parenthesis, hit enter. Create a simple if formula. Type equals sign if, add the AND operator, enter yes, enter no, hit enter. Type equals sign if, add the OR operator, enter yes, enter no, hit enter. Type equals sign if, add the NOT operator, enter yes, enter no, hit enter. Using nested if functions, type 2 into A1, hit enter. Double-click cell B1. Type equals sign if. Type the first condition, comma, type the desired output if true, comma, space. Type if, type the second condition, comma, type the desired output if true, comma, type the desired output is false. Hit enter.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.